Hi guys, welcome to Explain Me How. In this video, I will show you how to unlock an iPhone when you forget your password. Please subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. First, try to enter your password. On entering the wrong code, your iPhone will become unavailable and it will ask you to wait for a minute. On the other try, it will increase the time to 5 minutes. On entering the wrong password again, it will ask you to wait for 15 minutes. This time interval will increase up to 1 hour. Here you will see the option of Erase iPhone on your bottom right. Tap on this option. This will erase all of your iPhone data, but if you have backed up your data in iCloud, your data will be restored easily. Here you'll need to sign out of your Apple ID by entering its password. Once it is done, your iPhone will rest. You have a new refreshed iPhone. Thanks for watching this video. I hope it was useful. Make sure to drop a like and subscribe to get notified for new videos. We are dropping new videos every day to help all of you.